Hello everyone, this is Steven Simonis, Account Manager FXDD, coming to you from our headquarters in 7 World Trade Center. I'd like to welcome you to FXDD's first edition of the Week in Review, where we're going to highlight key economic news and events from this past week. As always, remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, so please stay tuned to the end of the video to read our disclaimer. This past week, we saw commodities hit a 9-month low, led by the biggest plunge in gold since 1980. We saw gold trading as low as $1321.52 before slowly climbing back up and now trading about the $14.03 level. Euro-dollar was also very volatile last week, trading as high as 132 the figure and as low as 130 the figure in a 24-hour span. The pair is now currently trading at about 130.88. G20 meetings were held on Thursday and Friday, where financial ministers and central bankers from 20-plus countries met to discuss fiscal policies and initiatives. Now, also on Friday afternoon, Fitch downgraded the UK's IDR from AAA to AA+. Now, the outlook is stable, but after the news broke, the sterling dollar did drop off about 100 pips. Please tune back in tomorrow for our week ahead video, where we'll highlight the fundamental events for the coming week. I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please email us at salesteam@fxdd.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.